All right, guys, this is my review of the 3-pack bathroom trash can with press type lid. It's 2.6 gallons or 10 liters. If you're in the US, it's 2.6 gallons. Um, it's slim. This is gonna work for bathroom, kitchen. You could also use it in your bedroom if you're looking for a little trash can there. But first of all, I'm going to show you why these are so cool. First of all, my name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. As of this recording, these are the #1 new release in Wastebaskets, and I think I can tell you why. Because typically, Wastebaskets are either really crappy or really expensive. And I think we finally found a good medium. First of all, these are going to fit under your sink. If you're like in the bathroom or in the kitchen, these should easily fit under your kitchen sink or bathroom sink. They also have a top that goes on super easily, and it actually has a push button that works. Not only that, you get a second one that works. Not only that, you get a third one that works. The value of this is very clear why it's the #1 new release in Wastebaskets. I'm very happy that I have these because I have a 2-bathroom home. So I've got 2 for the bathroom, 1 for the kitchen. But if I wanted to do for bedrooms too, I could just order another 3-pack, and I may, because these actually look good enough to be out. Like, they're stylish enough. You can get it in white, black, or what do they call this color? It's like a khaki or a gray, probably like a light gray. It's probably what this is. But honestly, dude, they look cool. The push button's super smooth. It's simple. These are simple little trash cans. That's why they're the #1 new release. That's why you should probably consider them at least. Hopefully, I help you made a buying decision today. Have a wonderful rest of your day.